Hello guys. I would like to share how to harvest rice plants here in the Philippines. It's time to harvest. Today is March 3, 2023. This is how to harvest rice in the Philippines. Lovely. This is how to harvest. This is how to harvest rice plant in the Philippines, guys. Look. Nice, nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. So it's modern now, the machine. The way they how they harvest nowadays rice plants is in this way. Modern machines already and much easier to harvest this time. Not like a long time ago. They were using another kind of machines. That this is much easier how to harvest. Already inside the box. How do you call this? That one. And the bags for rice. Automatically inside of the bags all the So I am here. I am here how to share. How to harvest. So guys, I'm here to show how to harvest rice plants in the Philippines. Very good Filipino farmers. Would like to share all the images how to harvest the rice plants here in the Philippines.
Ayoko na maraming sinako. Balik ko konti. Yung ating uli,
Yan na, the harvest, the result is this. 2, 4, 6, 6 bags of rice already harvested over there. So guys, these are Carabaos. They are collecting all the rice harvested this morning, and this afternoon the Carabao collected it and bring to another place. So this is how they harvest the rice plants in the Philippines. Very good Filipino farmers. Ayan po. Guys, this is how they collected all the rice harvested today. The Carabao buffalo collecting it and bring it into another place. Very good buffalo Carabao collecting all the rice harvested this morning, and this afternoon they collect it and bring it into another place. Very good Filipino farmers in the Philippines. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm happy to share it to you all, how rice plants harvesting in the Philippines. Today is March 3, 2023. Time for harvesting rice plants around. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell for the notifications from YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Very hot weather. It's 34 degrees here in the Philippines. Humidity is 62%. very, very hot. Thank you so much for watching.